Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming paper type and printer compatibility. Pick inkjet or laser sticker paper that matches your HP model. Once confirmed, set the printer driver to high quality and the correct paper type, because that controls ink deposition and heat. Next, prepare a quick layout test, a single alignment image at 100% scale, and use the manual feed or rear tray to load a single sheet in the orientation the guide specifies. This prevents jams and ensures accurate registration. You now adjust the file and driver settings to maximize output, export at 300 dpi, and add bleed if you plan to cut. Make sure to choose the appropriate color profile, because printer-managed color versus application-managed color changes saturation. Disable duplex printing and lower the print speed to reduce smearing. Once done, print a single test sheet, inspect alignment and adhesive margins, and confirm colors. If anything looks off, tweak profile, resolution, or margins until the test is correct. You finish by letting prints dry flat for 10 to 20 minutes to prevent smears. Heavier stocks may need longer. Then cut or die cut using a guillotine or precision cutter. For thick paper, score before full cut so edges stay accurate. Finally, seal if required with a compatible laminate or spray. Store unused sheets flat in a cool, dry place. If you get smears or misfeeds, pause, change the driver paper type, run a nozzle or calibration check, and reprint one test sheet before a full run.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.